Morning, friends. I apologize for the very crappy vlog that went up yesterday. It was awful. That migraine that I had me laid out all day, literally. And then I slept all night. So hopefully everything's good now. The headache's gone. Hopefully I can have a good productive day. So I have some Christmas wrapping to do today. Hopefully finish it up today. I've been procrastinating it because it's just not what I want to be doing and there's a lot of it. But all of my stuff has arrived in the mail, so there's no excuse anymore to put it off, so I'm going to work on that today. I have a doctor's appointment today, and I've been, like, dealing with anxiety about it all morning. Interestingly enough, though, not about the actual appointment. I'm not concerned at all about the appointment. It's just my colonoscopy follow-up, and I know that they didn't find anything, so there's nothing really to worry about there. The thing that has me anxiety-ridden is the parking lot of my doctor's office because it's always packed. I have a ginormous truck that I have a hard time parking in normal circumstances, and I'm like sitting here having an anxiety attack over the fact that I don't know if I'm going to be able to park. Isn't it funny how we get like caught up with things and we stress and worry about the most mundane things? I mean, maybe not everyone does that. Maybe it's just me, but I'm like sitting here literally stressed about how the parking lot situation is going to be and hoping that there's an empty spot and I can park and I can not have any issues. I have a phobia of parking lots. I don't know. But that appointment's still a couple hours away, so I need to get myself ready to go to that. I'll probably do my wrapping and my housework and stuff after that. But I do want to sit down and work on some editing because I didn't do any of that yesterday. So I'm going to go and work on that, and I'll check in with you guys in a smidge. Alright, you guys, I made it home from my appointment, and as with 95% of the time, my anxiety was for nothing because the parking lot was clear and I parked fine and the appointment went fine. Still, we don't have an answer about the pain that I've been having. Remember back when I had my gallbladder out? That was supposed to solve the pain. It didn't. So then I had some more testing and I had the colonoscopy and it still doesn't give me an answer. So now we're going in for some other kind of test. Can't remember what she called it, but it's sort of like an MRI, only it's super localized to the area where the pain is. And she's going to check my ducts for stones. She thinks maybe I have a gallstone stuck in one of my ducts and it can't break free and that's what's causing my pain. And so if that scan comes back and shows that that is the problem, then I'll be going in to have that sorted out. But till then, no real answers, but at least the colonoscopy was clear. So that's good. There's no polyps or anything. No news is good news, maybe? I don't know. But anyway, I set up my tripod. I'm going to sit down and film my colonoscopy experience video as well as a few other sit-down videos. I'm going to just sit right here by the window with the tree in the background. I think it's going to be real pretty. With the, maybe I'll light it up. Alexa, turn on the lamps.
Okay.
Yeah, there we go. So that's what I'm going to do. And then I'm going to do a marathon editing session, and a marathon cleaning session, and a marathon wrapping session. And it's already almost noon, so hopefully I can do all that before Robbie gets home. Alright guys, I did it. I sat down, I filmed my sit-down videos. Obviously, that's why I sat down. I filmed my colonoscopy experience, which was cringy, and when I edit it, I'm probably going to be doing this the whole time because it's impossible to talk about colonoscopies without TMI. So there's that. I don't know if it's going to help anybody because I was very stammery and I forgot a lot of stuff, but hopefully it helps someone. And then I sat down and filmed my 2019 goals. So the only video that I didn't film that I really want to film is what to expect from my channel in the new year. And I'm still kind of ironing out those details, so that'll come at a later time. But now I have a grocery haul from yesterday to edit and those two videos, so I'm going to go and take care of that. And then we'll see what time it is then and see what else I can get done before Robbie gets home. So we just got a delivery from Omaha Steaks from my in-laws. Very generous gift. I thought I would show you guys what came in it. Oh, first of all, there was this really nice ceramic pan. Really nice. And then we've got a whole bunch of food to fill our freezer, which is amazing. So there's a package of gourmet franks here. This is potatoes au gratin. Beef tenderloin steaks. Filet mignon wrapped in bacon. This one is the same. This one is ground beef burgers. This one is sirloin steak. This one, oh, more ground beef burgers. And lastly, we have, what is this? Pork loin chops. Isn't that amazing? That is an amazing gift. And I'm so excited about this. So, Robbie is cooking dinner right now. We're going to get this stuff put in the freezer. He's making hot dogs. We are watching The Green Mile. We just got done listening to this audiobook. Eric and I did. He's a big audiobook guy. He listens to audiobooks on a daily basis. I don't even think he listens to the radio, do you? Mm-mm. It's just audiobooks, right? Like the same 10 in a rotation or something?
I think I've got 15 now.
Oh, okay. But this is the one we just finished, so we decided to watch the movie. One of my favorite movies. If you guys haven't seen it, make sure that you see it. But we are going to get this stuff put away and get the table cleared off for dinner, finish up our movie, and then the kids are going to make some candy with their daddy for their Advent activity, which I know they're excited about. Alright, so they finished up the batch of candy. I didn't show it because I filmed the whole process and recipe last year, I think, or the year before. I can try to find that video and link it for you guys if you're interested in it, but this is just hubby's famous candy. He makes it every year around Christmas time. He's still got to do a couple more batches, I think, of different flavors. This is butter rum. Still have to do, what, cinnamon?
And butterscotch.
And butterscotch.
So. Yeah, I've got to get, I'm just going to get new cinnamon flavor.
Okay.
Because the cinnamon flavor I have expired in 2016. I didn't realize it.
Well, that's what happens when you buy it in bulk. But yeah, they're just breaking up the candy now. Made a double batch, right?
Yep.
And this one is my favorite. I love butter rum. Anyways, that's going to do it for the vlog today. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with us. We definitely enjoyed sharing with you today, didn't we?
Yeah.
Say goodnight.
Bye.
Say goodnight, darling.
Night.